In this tutorial, we will learn how to create images like this, where the text is behind the actual image, the main image. In this tutorial, we are going to show you the basics of Photoshop. So let's begin. Let's open the Photoshop. This picture over here is created using Photoshop. Photoshop has been an evergreen tool in the design industry. It has been used by professionals to create various graphics, including web graphics, and you have the plain image like this. You can click the zoom button over here. Click here. Then once again click here. Click here to reduce the zoom size. Click here. You can drag down to zoom in and drag up to zoom out. Okay, this is sufficient. Now let's go and bring some images. Go to downloads and pick any of the images. For example, this one. Now drag it over here and leave it. You can scale this image by holding the corners, but if you don't press the shift, it will distort the image and it will get into the wrong ratio. So if you want to cancel, just press skip. Once again go to download, drag and move and leave it. Now this image is in Photoshop in actual ratio. Now press shift and press the corner and drag it. Once again hold shift, click the corner, drag the corner and scale. Now we have scaled the image. Now hit enter. So now the image is set. Now let's add text. Press T button here to create the text. Click on it and click on the image. Now you can start typing Photoshop, enter, tutorial. So Photoshop tutorial. Okay, now go to the move tool and hold the corner. If you are not able to see this rectangle for scaling, go to this checkbox over here. Just tick it, show transition controls, and now you will see the corners. Once again, if we don't press the shift button, it will scale like this. So we have to hold the shift button and then scale. Let's bring it down over here and click here. Let's scale it again. Okay, now we can just slightly move it upwards. Yeah, not too much, just a little bit smaller. Yeah, now it's okay. Now we can leave it like that. Yeah, once it's done, just click apply and it's done. Now let's go to, now with this in mind, we have added the text. We can hide the text. Go to image and use this tool. It is called quick selection tool, W. You click it. Now just click and drag like this. So this part is selected. Once again select from here and go downwards. So all the sky is selected now. Now just move to this corner, right corner, and here you will see a small button. It is called add layer mask. Just click it. So now your layer mask is created for this image, for the selection. You have created a layer mask successfully. Now just make the text visible, and yeah, this is visible now. There are some settings or properties for layer mask like insert and all these things. We'll see about it later on. Yeah, one of the problem is that we have actually applied the layer mask to the background image. Actually, we should have applied the layer mask to the text. Just let's press Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Alt Z. Yeah. Now first select the text and now apply the layer mask. Okay, now we have put the text behind this image very easily. So once again, let's click the move tool and click outside. So the selection is gone. And now this image is complete. Obviously, now you can move this text. First you have Control L Z. There's a problem. First you have to unlink the text from the layer mask, and now you can move. You should not move the layer mask. You should move the text. So we have to select the text here, and then you can move it anywhere you want. So the layer mask will stay in the place, and the text will move. So it will appear like the text is behind the image. Okay, so now we have successfully completed the tutorial. Obviously, one more thing we can do, we can change this font to any other font if you like. There are all those fonts which are installed on your computer will be visible over here. But I think let's just keep the same font because it looks nice. So we are ready with this image. Now let's see how to save it. Go to files, save, go to file, save, and we can add your name here, the name for the file here. Let's write Photoshop tutorial and just save it. It will be saved in the PSD format, but this PSD format is not good for YouTube thumbnail. Actually, we need to make export this as PNG. So you can export, create a PNG image which will be ready to upload on YouTube. Okay, so now the PNG image is also saved. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Also, please comment what you want to learn in the next video. Thank you so much.